Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change permissions such as read, write, and execute in Linux using only the terminal. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have a text file with a lock on it, indicating that it's only readable. So let's change the permission of the file using the terminal. We will use the command chmod followed by +x for execute, +r for read, and +w for write. As you can see now, we have successfully given write permission to this file. Now let's try and take away the read permission from this file. We do that by adding a minus sign before r, which is for read. And now you can see we have taken read permission from this file. Let's make this file normal now. And that's how it's all done. Thanks for watching.